uncensored LLM models, be careful. They are dangerous. We have to be super careful because they will tell you things that we are, as humans, as humanity, we wanted to keep. We want to be careful about those topics. There are harmful topics to be careful of. And this model right here, Dolphin, when you search for Dolphin, what they do is they take existing models, open models like Llama 3, and then they decensor them. They remove some of the restrictions. They filter out some of the alignment and the bias that makes the model more compliant. And we figured it out, and it really does it too because we wrote a test. We wrote a test that includes a benchmark of some questions that are used to train models for safety. We found this file, and it has a whole bunch of harmful topics and harmful prompts. We tested that against a known good model, a model that has a lot of safety baked in, like GPT-OSS. And Llama 3 does have the same security precautions. However, if you remove those precautions, then it becomes uncensored. So what we have to be careful if you do download this model, it's going to give you those the things that are considered harmful. So what we did was we had Claude write for us a benchmark that would test these two models together. It would test model 1, the known good model, the GPT-OSS, and a Dolphin Llama 3, which is our known uncensored model. And as you can see, just jumping in right there straight away, you can see it says, "I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that." The censored model. And then the uncensored model says, "I have that information. Here you go." It'll just go straight off and answer those questions. Now I have the test file that I have is a spreadsheet that includes a whole bunch of harmful and safety concerning topics. And so I ran a test against some of those. And the problem is I don't want to actually show any further what the problem is, because if I actually run those questions, it starts answering, and it's problematic. And you can tell what the topics are, and you can see how harmful the topics are. So I'm not going to go further than that, but I can tell you that it definitely worked. It definitely answered the questions. So what you can do is, in the next segment, I'll show you how to access this model.